Today I want to share with you guys some fun spelling activities to do with your kids. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys some spelling activities that I use with my kids when they have their spelling words. I'm going to flip the camera around for this video and show you all the different things that I have to make spelling fun and make those words stick. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you like what you see. Alright guys, so there's a different things you can do to teach spelling. You can teach beginner spelling by offering if you have a curriculum, just using their spelling list. You can teach kids their sight word list, or whatever list that you have to use. So I use the Good and the Beautiful's little spelling words for my kindergartner and for my first grader for their spelling words. So you may already have a spelling word list, or maybe your kid is writing and they have some words that they keep getting wrong. You can add that to your spelling list as well. So one thing that we do is Tic Tac Toe, and I got this off of melonheadsillustrating.blogspot.com. I'll link it in the description below. But if you just go on Pinterest and you type in spelling Tic Tac Toe, there's a lot of creative people who have made these for you. So this one is in March, and it says select 3 boxes that form a tic-tac-toe using your spelling words to complete the activities. Remember to save and attach your work. So they pick an activity like draw a large pot filled with gold coins, write one of your words on each of the coins, and make sure you have written each word once. So if my kids are bigger, I'll have them go ahead and do 3 a day. And I'll print out, they'll do 3 a day. And since we do school only 4 days a week, that's 3 days of spelling practice, and then on the 5th day, or the 4th day, we do a spelling quiz, and whatever they got wrong, that spelling word gets moved on to the next day. So you'll see here there's a bunch of different ideas that your kid can do. Now when they're younger, like kindergarten or 1st grade, I only make them do 1 box a day because it takes so long for them to do their one activity. Doing any more than that would be too much for them. Another thing I have them do is we have these journals, these writing journals, and I will have I'm see if I can find one because we use this for a lot of different things, but I will have them write a sentence using their spelling words, and then if they want, they can draw a picture. Another activity you see right here at the bottom is spelling hangman, where I will list their words, or as a matter of fact what I do is I tell them the word. For example, I will draw 3 lines, and if her word is who, I will just draw 3 lines and I would let them start guess. I would say who, and then they have to figure out what letters go there and in which order. Because sometimes, for example, who, she may forget it. She may say H-O-U or something like that. Then I'll put down the H and the O, and then they know that there's a letter missing here that goes in the beginning. One of my favorite things is this spelling box that I made. You can get a whole bunch of different things and to put in here, such as stamps. These are my alphabet stamps. The kids love this box. Somewhere a long time ago, I went online and I got these cards of spelling activities. You can get these from the tic-tac-toes and cut them out and laminate them. And what I do is I have my kids pick 3 of these activities, like sticky notes. Write each of your spelling words on sticky notes and stick them in your notebook. Scrabble spelling, use the Scrabble spelling sheet and fill it in with all your spelling words. There's a whole bunch of different activities. So I'm going to create a printable for you guys. You're going to find it in the description below, and I'll have a bunch of these different cards for you guys to use. Now if you find that the link that I'm using isn't working, please email me. My email is in the description as well, and I will send it to your email box, the cards. That goes for anything that I ever offer, any printables that I offer. So we have stamps here, we have wooden blocks, we have beads, we have these scratch papers. If they scratch it, it's like colors underneath, see that? They love this stuff. So basically, what goes in a spelling box is everything that is in the cards. Everything that your child's gonna need to complete these cards should be in your spelling box. All right, one of the last things that I do that the kids love is spelling Candyland. So you just get your typical game of Candyland. I also have a printable for you guys below. Just like I said, click on that link. If it doesn't work, send me your email and I will send it to you. So yeah, you know what Candyland looks like. So you can use this for sight words, spelling, or if you have really little ones, you can use it for letter recognition. So all you need is one of these sheets. You're gonna write down your, in this case, you're spelling words on here. Okay, and then so the way you play is just like regular Candyland, except that once your child draws a Candyland card, before they move, they have to find the red, and they have to, and then you read them the word into, and then they have to spell the word before they move forward. If it's sight word Candyland, then they can read it themselves, read the sight word themselves. If you guys are finding this video helpful, make sure to share it with someone else who you think might benefit from it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.